Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Upi Yubin balalam khamad ya ka kanhun Nongïasaid ay nakabenta ban penyo Jamin yorat kushawaha haka jekren bat kilat pthai kubor haka Jamin ka kunai trip yong arjar punrio hadien ka Nongïasaid ha district and session code is ka sales uloong ba Rukom kem ki Pulit ka Bakla. Uloong ba kum Nongïasaid nakaliang raj kumta wahab Nongïasaid namar ka Rukom kem kamsyam lalong kat kum ki kendon ki baydai bat yamanta kidang ab ya ka hukum nakayeng ka syari. Haba keli ya ki Kyrpad ki bakdok don kti kum official sting chuhan Akash Rajput bat u anan kurmi ki Kyrpad Jamin neam u yoben uloong ba ki kmi ki pa jungkihi ki wan Kyrpad bat Nongïasaid ban penyo bil. Kasonom kabalakdo kum kabahakmat haka kampanyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi da ka jingasala bat raj bat ainong penyap hakitei ki laingun. Kalami na along haka Jamin ka arpatrek uya yong arjar punrio da ka Jamin na yeng kasyari kababu South Ligi Kendon Halor Chongka.
Granted bail yesterday, so we took the same plea. That's the arrest was not proper. The arrest was not proper, and it was not in as mandated for the arrest procedure. So that is what we have also taken the plea.
So has the court reserved the order? Or
Yes, the court has reserved the order. So we are expecting order any moment, maybe little late in the evening.
So you have a good reason to believe that you will be getting paid. Your clients will be getting paid.
Fingers crossed, because we don't know. It's up to the wisdom of the court. We have whatever we have to do, we have done, and that's all. That's it.
You are taking up this bail for all the 4 accused.
Yes, we have been approached by the parents of the accused persons, and then except for Sonam, the rest of the accused, I'm taking up the matter. Me and my team are taking up the matter. See, the police have done their job at the best, but as a defense lawyer, we'll have to find the loopholes of the police investigations, and then we see the police claim is a watertight charge sheet, and I believe so.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.